In a massive development, now PostgreSQL 16 is available on AWS RDS in preview, of course, but and it will be generally available very soon. If you are using PostgreSQL in AWS, then you know that AWS is not always the fastest to release the latest version and features of Postgres in RDS. But this time they have done wonders. AWS is full of talented and great people who strive to make it their passion to introduce and improve on Postgres, which is one of the greatest enterprise level database out there. Now, these engineers have really worked hard to make sure that this preview is available as soon as possible because historically RDS Postgres SQL has waited for the first patch release to ship production a long time. And then, um, but in this case of Postgres 16, it was different because even the beta version of PG16 was already in preview on RDS. But this new release gives customers a chance to start planning and testing now with the final feature set of the new Postgres major release. And the reason why I'm excited about this is because PostgreSQL 16 is full of golden nuggets. The PostgreSQL community released PostgreSQL 16 la- um, just, I guess, 5 days ago on September 14th, and it enables logical replication from standbys and includes numerous performance improvements. PG16 also adds support for SQL JSON constructors and identify functions, more query types that can use parallelism, introduction of SIMD CPU acceleration, and the pgstat IO view that provides statistics on IO usage. I'm also thinking of using this PG16 for as a vector database with the advent of generative AI when we want to do the RAG or retrieval augmented generation. Then there are a lot of other open source databases or even closed source ones which are offering that functionality. We already have PG Vector, so I'm very keen to know if I can use that functionality easily with RDS because it will really be a game changer when it comes to having my vector database on RDS, and I won't have to worry about a lot of the things. If you already are testing it out or looking to do, I'm very keen to hear about your use case. Please share it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.